So, emergency bee suit. I thought I'd come over and quickly feed after doing that transfer yesterday. Stick on some sugar syrup. They need some feeding up. But we've got bees tuttering about. I've seen bees flying in and out, so fingers crossed. I've tipped a bit down the inside as normal just to let them know that it's up there. Hopefully they'll come up and find it. I think the bees like their new entrance. Being down with rain at the moment, so not a lot of activity, but it's a lot easier to get into their hive now rather than the little 3/4 overflow pipe that was on the fridge. I've just fed both the hives, so all good.